Let me also now welcome on board George Alexander Muthoot, MD at Muthoot Finance, joining in on the show right now. Mr. Muthoot, great to have you on the show. Your Q3 has been quite stable for your company. All the metrics pretty much are largely in line with what the street was expecting. You'd earlier guided for a 15% growth in your AUMs. You logged in at 27% year on year in the 9 months itself. So for all practical purposes, you're already beating your FY24 guidance. What's the revised figure and what do you think you're setting a target for FY25?
Okay, thank you. Good morning. Yeah, you're right. Q3 has been good. Most of the parameters, as you said, were looking better, and growth is also coming up. So we expect to end the year on year, growth of about 15%. Last year, Q4 was quite good. That is why you saw a 27% growth in the 9-month year on year as of this quarter. But next quarter, we should see growth, and finally, the year should end with 15% plus AUM growth in the gold loan business. As far as your guidance, yes, we would like to give the same guidance of 15% going forward also. So we'll try our best to do better, but 15% is something which we have also kept as a bare minimum growth in the AUM.
Okay, that's the overall outlook when it comes to your AUM. What is the sense that you're getting then with the RBI's recent views? They came with a crackdown on unsecured lending on the back of these norms. Is there any sort of a shift that you're seeing from unsecured loans to the gold loan segment?
Yeah, I was asked the same question yesterday by some of the analysts also. But this happened quite, what should you say, quite more or very largely in the COVID period. During the COVID period, banks and all other institutions did not give unsecured loans, and there was a huge rush for gold loans. And actually, we benefited from that at that time. We have not seen that much of a rush this time. Probably we'll have to wait and see how it pans out. If the unsecured lending is really drying out, probably the gold loan sector may see a growth. But as of now, we don't see any big shift from, as you say, the shift from unsecured to the gold loan.
Earlier said that you want to maintain net interest margins at about 11%, and this has been the case that we've witnessed in the last 3 quarters as well. What is the outlook then on this metric? Do you think that you'll be revising your guidance for FY25 on your NIMs?
No, I think we would be able to maintain these NIMs. Probably 15%, 15 bips or 15, 20 base points here and there will be there. But generally, we'll be able to maintain these NIMs.
Your asset quality, that also has improved on a sequential basis. What really is helping your asset quality? What is the outlook?
Of course, I always say for a gold loan company, the asset quality is always good because we have good quality gold with us. It is just that some customers were given more time. So probably this quarter, the number of customers who requested for extra time must be less. That is why the NPS, or we should say the technical NPS, are down. But otherwise, the quality is always good, and we have never had a loan loss from any of the NPS because the gold is always with us.
Sure. Tell me what's really happening when it comes to infusion of capital as well in your subsidiary, that's Belstar Microfinance, of about 300 odd crore rupees. What percentage does Belstar contribute when it comes to your overall revenues? What kind of top line potential do you see from this one coming in?
Yeah, I think the last year the Belstar did a good business. The profit increased to 235 crores. So they are doing well. We have a 59 or about 60% share in the company. And they are also thinking of going for an IPO in the next 12 months, probably because they need capital also. And that is the way it stands. And it is doing well for us also because the quality is good. The profits are also in line with their expectations.
Okay, fair enough. And, is there any, I just wanted to get a take from you, one of the options you allow for loan repayment is Paytm, given, the story that has really unfolded over there. What kind of an impact are you seeing on the loan repayment front?
I don't think we are using Paytms. We use so many of these Google Pay and all those things for payment, but I don't think we have any association with Paytm as such. I don't think we have anything with that.
Thanks for that clarification. Good to have you on board. And interesting to know that you're looking at a 15% growth. That's what you hope to end the year with, and an AUM guidance there for the gold loan segment as well. That is what is expected.